first 2019 Porsche Macan has rolled off the assembly line. Sporting a Mamba Green Metallic exterior, the first new customer Macan is heading to China, which has become the top-selling market for Porsche. The German automaker said by the beginning of September, production of the new Macan at Leipzig will increase to over 420 units per day, matching the high production rate of its predecessor in just a few days. The updated Porsche Macan made its debut earlier this year, sporting an even sportier and more modern appearance. Noticeable changes can be seen on the exterior of the crossover, with a three-dimensional LED strip spanning the rear. To support production of the refreshed Macan, Porsche's Leipzig plant was expanded to create a dedicated area for the production of the rear lid. The model benefits from new standard LED headlights, while the interior receives a new 10.9-inch Porsche Communication Management (PCM), redesigned and repositioned air vents, and the GT Sports steering wheel seen in the 911. The Macan is the very definition of a successful model for Porsche and for the Leipzig site, says Gerd Rupp, chairman of the executive board at Porsche Leipzig GmbH. In 2011, the model was the inspiration for a radical new beginning. That year, the plant in Leipzig was expanded into a full-sized facility to accommodate the compact SUV, featuring its own body shop and paint shop. When the factory was put into operation in February 2014, the plan was to produce 40,000 units per year. Today we produce more than 90,000 units per year for markets around the world, and since 2014, approximately 350,000 units of the compact SUV have been delivered to customers worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.